Welcome to Rustbuster's installation guide for Chevy's 1973 to 1987 K10 and K20. Before we begin, if you're uncomfortable with any of the processes listed in this guide, we strongly suggest you seek the work of a professional. Ensure you have all the tools and utilities listed and that you're following all the manufacturer's safety precautions during use. Step 1. Disconnect your vehicle's battery and inspect for potential fire hazards such as leaking fuel lines and engine components. Prepare or remove these before starting. Finally, clear the work area of any safety hazards. Step 2. Lift up your vehicle. Cut out the rivets retaining the bracket on the bottom of the frame. Step 3. Hold the part up to the frame and mark off its coverage using a paint marker. Grind down the frame free of rust and debris, revealing bare metal. Then, spray the work area with a weldable primer to help prevent against rust development. Step 4. Hold the part up to the frame and hammer it into place. Following proper welding procedures, tack weld the over-axle frame section to the frame before welding the part on fully. Finally, reinstall the bracket on the bottom of the frame. Paint the part with primer or other rust inhibitor to help prevent or reduce the risk of rust formation. We recommend our Rustbuster Rust Converter and Primer Spray Paint. Then you're done!